will show you a platform that get you paid to watch ads. All you need is your laptop, a smartphone, an internet connection, and you are on your way to get paid every time you watch a 30 seconds ad, which you won't even have to wait until it's this 30 seconds. And it's an effective method and simple method for earning money and participating in an ad watching rewards program, offering you a pathway to massive side hustle from ads. So you can just come to this platform and click on start earning. You'll be able to sign up with your email and your password and your full name, and you'll be able to start earning on this platform. So it says how to earn money watch ads. So on this platform, it's one of the best apps to get free money. It extends beyond the monetary world. So it's a program that gets you paid for watching ads anywhere you are in the world. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, my name is Basi, a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel we talk about how to make money online in Nigeria as a total beginner in 2024. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button so you can continue getting updates anytime I drop a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. Just like I said in today's video, I will show you a platform that gets you paid for watching ads. Get me paid at least $1 for watching a 30 seconds ad, and this is just a passive side hustle in which you don't have to dedicate your full time on it. You just have to, even in school, anywhere you are, as a nursing mom, as a student, as a office worker, even as a bodybuilder, I can be in the gym, and you'll be able to participate in this ad watching, which takes less than 30 seconds, and you'll be able to earn money. So this one thing about the platform that gives you the opportunity also to earn money, to earn money and also learn about cryptocurrency. So you are coming here on this platform to get two things. So I'll be revealing the name of this platform very shortly. So as you see here on the platform, it says to get paid, you just have to sign up on this platform and you watch this ad. As you can see, it says step 1 is just to sign up on Drumstack, navigate to any section, and you find tags to watch that. So the name of this platform is known as Drumstack.io. You can go to any browser of your choice. If you are using Google Chrome, if you are using Firefox, if you are using Opera Mini or Internet Explorer, or any browser of your choice, mobile browser, personal computer browser of your choice, go to your tab and dial this keyword known as drumstack.io, and you will get paid to start watching ads. So you can see this platform has been in existence for more than 5 years now. So one thing about this platform is the simplicity that it gives you, and it gives you the ability to earn money every day just by coming here to watch ads. As you can see, it's an effortless income and there's a flexibility in earning. So you are not mandated to be coming to the platform to watch video every day. It is when you wish that you want to come to the platform, you can come to the platform and watch video. It requires no special skills. This platform is available on Google Play Store, although they are still working on it to be available on Apple Store, but for now it's available only on Google Play Store. As you can see, it's trusted by over 6 million users. That means there are almost 6 million users currently on this platform. So you can just come to this platform known as jumpstart.io. You click on get started, or you scroll down and say get paid to watch ads, and you'll be able to start making money when you sign up on this platform. So you can also scroll down if you want to know more about this platform. You can scroll down to that FAQ, that is the frequently asked questions, and you'll be able to get answers to all your questions that is on your mind. So as you can see, it's only available on Google Play Store and not yet available on App Store, that is the Apple Store for iPhone users. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click on the red subscribe button, share this video to your friends so that they can come here and get value, and so that I can also grow. Until I see you in my next video, I really love you. Thank you.